Welcome back to Innera Calm. I'm Aurora Vintage. In today's lesson, we'll explore one of the most well-known elements of Yoga Nidra, Sankalpa. If you've read about Yoga Nidra before, you've probably encountered this word. It appears in many traditional teachings and is often described as an important part of the practice. The word Sankalpa comes from Sanskrit. There is no single English translation that captures its full meaning. It is often described as an intention, a heartfelt resolve, or an inner direction. A Sankalpa is usually a short statement that reflects something you wish to cultivate in your life. Not something you want to possess, not something you hope will happen, but a quality you would like to strengthen within yourself. This distinction is important. Many people hear the word intention and immediately think about goals, a promotion, a new house, a particular outcome. In Yoga Nidra, a Sankalpa is approached differently. The focus is usually on qualities that influence how you meet life. Qualities such as patience, confidence, calmness, kindness, clarity, or resilience. For example, someone might choose, "I remain calm under pressure," or "I trust my ability to learn and grow." Another person might choose, "I act with patience and understanding," or "I move through life with clarity." There is no perfect Sankalpa. The most useful one is often the one that feels genuine when you hear it. You may also notice that these statements are short. They are easy to remember, easy to repeat, and easy to carry into daily life. So why is Sankalpa included in Yoga Nidra? During Yoga Nidra, the body becomes deeply relaxed while awareness remains present. Traditionally, this state is considered a valuable time to reconnect with an intention that matters to you. The purpose is not to force change. The purpose is not to convince yourself of something. Instead, the intention is quietly introduced into awareness. Over time, many practitioners find that regularly returning to the same Sankalpa helps create greater consistency between their values, decisions, and actions. In the next practice, you'll have an opportunity to work with a Sankalpa for the first time. Before you begin, spend a few moments considering what quality you would like to strengthen. Keep it simple. Keep it personal. Choose words that feel natural to you. Thank you for joining me. I'm Aurora Vintage, and this is Innera Calm.